Well, let's talk to him here.
Tell me what a Buzz Lightyear.
What a Buzz Lightyear. And a spider bug too.
A spider bug? Where's the spider bug at? Where's the spider bug? What kind of spider bug? God, tell him. Whisper in his ear.
Doing the what?
Whisper in his ear. Go tell him.
What the yellow one?
The yellow one?
Yeah.
Do you want any books?
Yeah.
Yeah. Do you want to go see Christmas lights too? Go tell him. Tell your elf. Tell him.
No, I already did.
Okay. Should I ask him? Hey, elf. Hey, elf.
Hey, elf.
Ask him if he wants some apple cider. Oh. Maybe he wants a candy cane. Do you want to give him a taste of candy cane?
Yeah. I have one right here.
Okay, give it to him. Give him a little taste. Oh, he says thank you. Okay.
Maybe we can cut it in half and him will eat it.
Maybe he can cut it in half and eat it?
Yeah.
Oh. Say, see you later, elf.
Here we go.
Say, time for some dinner.
Time for some dinner.
Give him kisses.
Did I give him a kiss?